So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your task manager or if your task bar is flickering or disappearing again and again. How you can fix that? Now, in order to fix that, just simply press on Windows key on your keyboard, and here you have to search for task manager right there. Now, once you open the task manager, in this list you have to look for Windows Explorer. You can easily search it as well. Now here, for example, this is the Windows Explorer. You just simply need to right click over there, and here you'll see this option of restart. Now once you press on the restart, you'll notice all of the screen will flicker for once, and it will restart all the Windows Explorer programs. That means the taskbar as well. Now if it is causing any problem, it will definitely get solved, and if it does not, just simply give a restart to your laptop or computer. It will definitely gonna solve your problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.